Hi, this is Fumichika. Please call me Fumi. I'm a customer support from OpenLM. Today, I would like to explain how to use REST API in OpenLM Cloud. It's quite similar to on-premise REST API, but please pay attention to the difference. We have an identity service installed in default for Open Cloud. Each cloud server has got identity service to access to get token. So for US, identity.open.com. For EU, eu-identity.open.com. And then you need to use your API connect slash token to get token. So once you get token, you need to access to the admin portal. For US, cloud.open.com, and then for EU, eu-cloud.open.com. So each cloud server has got the several OpenM servers. So you have to get the server URL. You have to specify. You have to get the server URL that your account is located. So this is the API slash version and then config server URL. Yeah, this is the API to get the server URL. Once you get the server URL, you can specify it to use Swagger. I will show it to you later. But the first of all, I would like to show you the Postman. So based on this concept I explained, please see the variables I set it up. So admin portal URL like us cloud.open.com, and then API version is 1, right now 1. And then identity service URL for us identity.open.com. Then username and password, this is from your account to log into the Open Cloud for US or EU. So I specified my account here, username, password, and the client ID and client secret is from your account. I will show you how to get it. So you need to log into your cloud account, and then after that you go to the system and security authorization, and then server API. Like you need to add the server API. You need to get the authorization file, like a secret key and the client ID, to get to be authorized. So you get client ID and secret key. So you can specify that the client ID and client secret for variables here. Yeah. Then once you set up the variables, you can use the API connect slash token. This is identity service URL from variables. So and then body, like there are these parameters, username, password. This is automatically filled by the variables we set up in here. Password and client ID and client secret. And then the most important thing is scope. You need to specify not only OpenM server scope, but also openlm.cloud.scope. You have to add it for Cloud API. You need to add this. So please be careful. And then once you get it, you can execute, and then you can get token like this. Once you get token, copy it Then you need to get the server URL, authorization, bearer token, execute. Then you get the OpenM server your account is using. So once you get this URL, copy it, you can utilize the Swagger. OpenM server URL and then Swagger slash index.html. So these are the API you can utilize to get data from the user side. So please take a look at those lists. But you need to be authorized. So you go to the authorize and then Postman, copy the token, and then type bearer space token authorize. Then one of the API I would like to show you is how to get the license servers list. Try it out. Execute. So you will get the value. So these are the APIs you can utilize, but you need to get authorized first with token here. Then if you try it out with your parameters, execute, and then you get value. So test9 FlexLM, test9 FlexLM, so I'm getting value. The same thing in Swagger. So bearer token, if you copy a bearer token, and then after that execute this API license servers to get the server list, license server list, execute, then I'm getting the same value, the same result. So this is how it works. Thank you very much. Bye now.